Hello guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Just one or three of Americans back Republican migrants flees returns or IPSOS. Washington returns only a third of Americans, including half of Republicans and 1 in 6 Democrats, say it's okay for state officials to fly or bus migrants to other states, a sign the push by Republican Southern governors to shift foreigners north could backfire with some voters, according to reuters of IPSOS poll. Republican leaders, including Florida Governor Ron DeSantis, a potential 2024 presidential candidates, are betting their immigration policies and proposals will help motivate their cause supporters to vote in the November 8 midterm elections, when they aim to retake control of the United States Congress. The Today poll concluded on Thursday showed Americans are deeply divided on immigration even within their political parties. Only about half of Democratic respondents agreed with statement that it should be easier for people to immigrate to the United States. A somewhat larger share of Republicans, 6 in 10, disagreed. Following a highly publicized bribe by Republican governors to bus or fly thousands of migrants to Democrat areas in recent months, 53% of Republican respondents in the poll said they supported the practice, 29% opposed it. 16% of Democrats supported the practice and 55% were opposite. Overall, 29% of Americans supported the practice and 40% opposite. Texas Governor Greg Abbott, a Republican facing reelection in November, has sent roughly 11,500 migrants to Washington, New York, and Chicago since April. Arizona Governor Doug Ducey, another Republican, has sent more than 800 to Washington. Last week, DeSantis took credit for a flight that carried about 50 migrants to the vacation island of Martha's Vineyard, Massachusetts, an affluent haven for rebels where former President Barack Obama has mentioned. Like about DeSantis is up for election in November. The moves by the governors aim to shift responsibility for border crossers to areas that typically vote Democratic, while demonstrating Republican opposition to the more welcoming border policies to Democratic President Joe Biden. But leading Democrats, including California Governor Gavin Newsom, said some of the state's moves to ship migrants north could be criminal and urged federal prosecutors to investigate. Migrants on the flight to Martha's Vineyard say they were missed, and sheriff in Texas, where the flight originated, is investigating the incident. 45% of respondents in the reuters or IPSOS poll, including 63% of Democrats and 31% of Republicans, said states leaders transporting migrants were committing illegal migrant trafficking. The poll, conducted online in English, throughout the United States, gathered responses from 105 adults, including 459 Democrats and 361 Republicans. It has a credibility interval, a measure of precision of 4 percentage points. Biden suggests support for filibuster change to legalize abortion. Washington reuters, President Joe Biden challenged Democrat voters on Friday that if they elect to list 2 more senators in November election, it would open the possibility of Democrats removing the filibuster and restoring federal abortion rights for women. At a Democratic National Committee rally, Biden suggested The two extra Democrats would allow two Democratic controlled Senates to remove a legislative roadblock known as the filibuster that requires a 60 votes majority to overcome. I think that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.